Hi all. So today we will be discussing about how the IBM Maximo ensures regulatory compliance for assets. So it tracks the asset details to ensure regulatory adherence, automates compliance reporting with the use of and help of templates that can be customizable. It maintains the audit trails for asset related activities, manages permits and certifications for the critical assets. It also tracks inspection scheduling tasks and ensures timely checks. It ensures data accuracy through real time monitoring, and then it integrates compliance standards directly into workflow, enabling alerts for non compliance risk detection, and it also centralizes documentation for regulatory requirement management and provides dashboards for them all to monitor it effectively for compliance status. The second one is how does IBM Maximo manages facilities, equipments and inventory. It tracks the equipment life cycle and then manages inventory levels to prevent stock shortages. It optimizes space allocation within facility layouts, automatic equipment maintenance to ensure peak performance. It streamlines the lines the procurement for facility related requirements. It provides visibility into inventory across the multiple sites, and finally it integrates with IoT data for facility performance monitoring, managing the contracts for the outsourced facility, and enabling the predictive insights for equipment health analysis. So finally, it consolidates all the data for centralized facility management oversight. So, for example, if you have the head office, which is centralized head office for different stores, say there are 10 stores and we have a head office in one place, so that consolidated data comes as a centralized facility. So on in centralized facility we can see that which shop needs which all equipments. The third question is how IBM Maximo supports decision making with real time data. So integrating it with IoT sensors give us the real time data updates, providing the actionable insights through advanced analytics tool, displaying KPI dashboards, facilitating trend analysis for future planning, and enabling the quick responses to emerging operational issues, supporting data driven assets, and identifying inefficiencies using machine learning insights, integrating operational data for the holistic business view, enhancing the collaboration with shared updated data reports, and then accelerating the decision making with automated alert assets. The question number four is how IBM Maximo enables proactive maintenance to reduce downtime. So schedules predictive maintenance based on asset conditions. It tracks equipment health through continuous sensor monitoring, reducing unexpected failures with AI driven diagnostics, managing spare parts for quick maintenance availability, alerting users to potential risks, prioritizing maintenance tasks, increasing asset lifespan through optimizing maintenance schedules, reducing costs by minimizing reactive maintenance needs, and improving the safety standards through early fault detection, and uses data trends to refine maintenance strategies continuously. Then we'll see how IBM Maximo handles work orders and service requests, centralizes work order creation for streamlining tracking, automates the task assignment based on skill availability, it tracks the service requests timely, ensures mobile access for work order updates anywhere, integrating with work orders with asset management, and tracking progress with real time updates, automating workflows, and providing analytics to optimize work order fulfillment, maintaining the history logs, and then ensuring resource allocation aligning with organizational priorities.